Thanks for joining us for the news at 6. I'm Morgan Romero.
And I'm Hunter Funk. More than 300,000 men in the United States are diagnosed with prostate cancer each year. And that now includes former President Joe Biden, whose office reported he was diagnosed with prostate cancer on Friday.
Abby Welch spoke with a local urologist on Biden's diagnosis. Abby, what'd you learn?
Hunter and Morgan, Biden is not alone. Prostate cancer is the most common type of cancer in men besides skin cancer.
He was diagnosed with a fairly aggressive form of the disease.
Just 4 months after leaving the White House, former President Joe Biden has been diagnosed with prostate cancer.
That the cancer appears to have spread to the bones. That's the most common place that prostate cancer tends to spread to once it's left the local area of the prostate.
Prostate cancer is graded by aggressiveness on a scale of 6 to 10. Doctors have diagnosed the former president at a 9 with limited treatment options.
If we're talking about metastatic prostate cancer that spread to the bones or to other organs, the survival is a little bit lower.
Idaho urologist Hassan Danny says prostate cancer doesn't usually come on fast, meaning Biden likely had it while in office.
Now, for President Biden's situation, most likely this has been developing and brewing for at least a year or a couple of years.
It showed up through a PSA test, which is a type of screening that men ages 50 to 70 are encouraged to get.
Men with a family history of prostate cancer are certainly at higher risk of prostate cancer. So if dad or uncles or brothers have it, then you are at higher risk, and certainly more important to be checked for that.
Although symptoms don't always affect patients, Biden was showing urinary tract symptoms.
Sounds like maybe he had some development of bothersome urinary symptoms, but most patients don't have that.
Biden can be treated with hormone therapy, and there's a 30 to 40% survival rate over 5 years for Biden's diagnosis.
It's the second leading cause of death after lung cancer. About 35,000 men per year die of prostate cancer in the United States.
And former President Biden tweeted yesterday saying, quote, "Cancer touches us all. Like so many of you, Jill and I have learned that we are the strongest in the broken places."
All right, Abby, we appreciate that professional insight.